Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back with a couple of new products, a technique that I've been playing with, and some other fun stuff. So I thought I'd go ahead and get started with what I have on today. And I did go ahead and use a L'Oreal Lumi. This is a shade 100. It's a little light for me right now, so I mixed in some of the e.l.f. And this is a bronzer, the rose gold. So that's what I have on today. And then as far as what I did for cheeks, I was kind of thinking about the old cheekers from CoverGirl, if you remember those. And they had a dark blush, a medium blush, and then a light pearly blush. And you put the dark blush on the bottom and then use the middle one as your regular blush, and then use the light one as a highlighter. And so I kind of wanted to do that again. So what I ended up going ahead and doing was to go ahead and use the Colourpop and one of their deeper, more neutral blushes on the bottom. And this one is Thanks. And then what I did was I went ahead and used the, let's see, which one is this? I Love It, and I went ahead and used that one on the middle. And I did go ahead and use the NYX Butta as far as the powder blush on top of it to go ahead and blend it all together. And this one is shiny, so I think it worked out pretty well. I did go ahead and use the NYX highlighter. This one is Bright and Butta. It's the lightest one, so I went ahead and used that as my highlighter today. But I kind of like it because I kind of like not necessarily having brown down here and having a little bit more color, especially in the summer. So I think I'm liking that. As far as what I did on lips today, I did use the e.l.f. and this is one of their lip stains with a little bit of shine. And then I went ahead and used the Extreme Shine from the Essence on the lips. And I think it turned out pretty. This is supposed to be more of an orange color. And I think, yeah, it did kind of go ahead and get there. The first time I wore it, it didn't look orange, but now it's, especially on camera, it's looking a lot oranger. And then one of the new products, and this is actually on sale over at Adept, is going to be the Vivette, and this is one of their eyeshadow palettes. And this is one that I really didn't think about. And now that I've gotten it, I think that it's a really good palette. So this is what it looks like. Today what I did was I went ahead and put this in the crease, this one in the outer corner, then yeah, this one on the lid, and then I did go ahead and use these two right here are more topper shades. So I did go ahead and use this from here to here, and then this one over here I put from here to here. And they're both topper shades with, they have a little bit of color, but actually they are going to be more just sparkle. And so I think that it turned out really well. I also used an Emride eyeliner. And here's the look for you. So that's how it worked out, and it's really green right now. We're at the end of summer, and so I'm doing lots of green looks. And what I'll do is be back in a second with some swatches here, and I'll be right back. Okay, back with some swatches, and actually I kind of missed right here, so I went ahead and redid them down here. But again, really pretty colors. The mattes are really, really pigmented. The sparkles in these multi-chromes are just absolutely beautiful. And so I thought I'd go ahead and show you. It's a really pretty palette. It didn't speak to me right away, and so I didn't pick it up right away, but I would definitely go ahead and recommend it. It gives you a lot of vibrant colors to go ahead and put, you know, either underneath or to the side of all the really pretty multi-chromes. And so it's a really good palette. It's not as bright as I thought that it was going to be. The multi-chromes almost, in a way, bring down some of the color, which I kind of like. So it gives you more of a sparkly look than it does a really, you know, a lot of color kind of look. So these are, yeah, the swatches. And other than that, like I said, practicing or doing some different techniques and a new palette that I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of. And I think that's probably it. So have a great day, and I'll see you later, and happy fall. So see you later. Bye.